One of the newest memes in late 2025 is called Eggsuka. It's a weird edit of an egg with Vince Masuka's face from Dexter on it. But what does it mean? Where did it come from? And why is it spreading so fast among other memes such as Totya and I'm a Dude Man? Eggsuka is a brainrot meme. The core image is a Photoshop edit. An egg with the face of Vince Masuka, a character from the TV show Dexter. And the image is absolutely absurd. There is no obvious message. It's just this brainrot image with a strange name. The name Eggsuka is a play of the name Masuka, the character's name, plus the egg. It's nonsensical, but that's exactly why it appeals to so many people who like memes. And because it's so strange, it's interesting to meme creators who want something more niche than the big trends. The earliest known version of the Eggsuka meme surfaced on TikTok in August of 2025, when user Wunba5 posted a video containing the Masuka egg Photoshop edit. That post was one of the first times the meme got noticed. From there, meme makers started using the name in video templates, caption bubbles, and misheard lyric formats. But Eggsuka didn't explode overnight. It followed a pattern we've seen before, the trend of memes migrating towards a more niche, weird, edgy type memes once the big ones get saturated. Similar memes are Totya and I'm a Dude Man, among others. These are memes that people lean into when they want something more fresh and underground than something like, let's say, 6'7". Some of the most viral videos involving Eggsuka include a TikTok where someone uses "Who can it be now?" or a video that says "How it feels being on Eggsuka while my classmates are still on 6'7" and Totya. Because Eggsuka is so obscure and absurd, the main message of this meme has become, I know weird memes, you don't. Which is why you're seeing the meme but don't know what it means. The question now is, what meme will replace Eggsuka next?